So AJAC really is an employer-sponsored registered apprenticeship program. So what does that mean? That means that the apprentice, before they become enrolled, is actually a full-time employee with the employer. And so AJAC comes in and we actually really do work with the employer to identify what are the training needs.
TSL has been operating in the Yakima Valley since sometime in the 1970s. It's gone through a couple different iterations. Currently we're owned by Davis Standard. We build industrial molding equipment that processes plastic sheet through air and heat. We decided to participate in an apprenticeship because we found that we weren't having the amount of skilled labor that we really needed. And we found that AJAC was able and willing to take up that difference between what was available.
So, we've been working with TSL for about 2 years now. They've enrolled apprentices in our industrial manufacturing technician program. They also help us to contribute to registered apprenticeship, and we work in partnership with them to be able to, again, tweak the program to make it fit for them.
Becoming an AJAC apprentice means that you not only get your paycheck, but you get college credits, you get grant money, and you get to apply all of the class hours and all of your on-the-job hours towards your certification.
By having apprentices enrolled in the AJAC apprenticeship program, we're able to skill up our workers through an outside party, which sets us apart in this tight labor market.
So the cohort model of registered apprenticeship training is something new, but it's really something that's taking off.
The students are able to learn from each other. They're able to bounce ideas off of each other, take that and apply it to their everyday work tasks with the same people that they're learning from in school, as well as working alongside of every day.
For me, it was really hard to communicate and to be in front of the class or say something. I was so embarrassed. And then I hear other guys that they were having the same problem as me, and it makes me feel more confident about be like, hey, we're all the same here. We're here to learn.
One thing I really like about class is that when you're in the class setting, you get to collaborate with your classmates and you get a lot of different perspectives on how to do different things. So when you are solving a problem, you can use any of those people's perspectives to solve your next problem.
AJAC has been a great partner for us. They've provided a wonderful service. They've met all of our demands and then some. They've gone the extra mile. I would definitely recommend AJAC to anybody who needs to help improve the quality and the skill level of their employees.
Well, I wish AJAC continue with these programs for so many years. And for those ones that are out there like me, this is a great place, a great opportunity that AJAC is giving to a lot of people.